Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the USD CAD as well as USD JPY and USD CHF, how they are moving, how the forex has moved. See, or it how the forex can move in the next week. See, if we look at this trend, we have seen that it was moving in this particular range for some time, and if you look at this pattern, a narrow pattern was formed at this level. Okay, and after this level a rise has come at this level. From there it is continuously falling, and from there if we look at this chart, we have seen that a doji candle has formed here and it is continuously in uptrend. Suppose if it goes above a level of 1.25, so there is high chances that it can touch a level of 1.2654, and from there it can touch a level of 1.2753, and if it stays above that level then 1.28. so we are on the bullish side of now. And then if it goes above that level, we have seen that this level is a very strong resistance, so chances are very high that if it breaks this level 1.29, then it can go further high to a level of 1.33. suppose if it make a red candle from this level, then again it can touch a level of 1.220, and from there it can touch a level of 1.21. or if it goes below that level, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 1.20, and from there it can touch a level of 1.11980. okay, and this level is already tested here twice, so chances are there if it comes close to this level, then it can make a new low that is around 1.19260, or it can touch a level of 1.16831. okay, so this is what we can see here, and it can touch a level of 1.144711 also. so but if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go further high on this side. Suppose if we talk about USD, okay, JPY, if we look at this trend of USD JPY, we can see that it was continuously in the downside. But if we make a trend line at this level, okay, if you look at this trend line, we can see that this trend line will be breaking at this level. So chances are very high that once this trend line is break upside, so there is high probability that it can go further high to a level of 2.182, and from there it can touch a level of 113.60, and from there it can touch a level of 114.676, and if it stays above that level, then it can touch a level of 11574. suppose if this trend line breaks downside, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 108.620, and from there it can touch a level of 107.42, and from there it can go and touch a level of 105.681, and if it goes further below, then it can touch a level of 104.257, and then it can touch to a level of 102.9697, and this level is already tested here once, so the chances are very high that it can bounce back from this level. okay, so as of now we are looking at this trend, and in this particular range it is, so and the trend line is also break after a very long time, so chances are very high that it can go further high. so USD JPY, okay, if I talk about USD CHF, okay, so we can see that after a continuous downfall at this level, we have seen a W pattern is forming. So W pattern is forming, so it will be a resistance hitting resistance and going upside. okay, so but what we have seen here, that a continuous single candle is forming. okay, so there is high chances that if suppose if another green candle forms, there is chances that it can go further high with a strong support at 0.93. once this level is crossed upside, then we can see a level of 0.9323, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 0.9476, and this level is only tested once, so chances are very high that it can bounce back from here, or if it crosses this level, then it is very good, and in the chances the higher that it can touch a level of 0.95574, and from there it can touch a level of 0.96450, and from there it can touch a level of 0.97389. okay, and then from there it can touch a level of 0.98077, and then it can touch a level of 0.99. suppose if it goes below a level of 0.9056, then it can touch a level of 0.89317, and from there it can touch a level 0.8823, and if it comes close to this level, then there is chances that it can break this level. Suppose if it break this level, then it can come to a level of 0.7588, and chances are very high that it can bounce back from there, or it can break this level and can make a new low. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.